Hi everyone, this is Marcia. I'm here with the video that you will comment on if you want to be entered into my 100 subscriber giveaway. I have put together over a pound of beads and findings. I even have a silver plated chain in there in case you want to create a pendant to put that on. There's a bag of beads right from the jewelry jars, and then there's, well, they're all pretty much from the jewelry jars that I've purchased, but there are some strings of beads, not actual jewelry, so you can create your own. And the only thing that wasn't in a jewelry jar is the findings. I put some new head pins. I think I put eye pins. I may have put eye pins too. Some earring hooks, and some wire, bead stringing wire that I've used on my videos in the past, along with the crimp beads and the crimp covers and the wire guardians, everything that you would need except for the tools to create your own necklaces. I apologize for the glare on this. But anyway, this is the video. You go ahead and in the comments below, just say something. You know, I just appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed to this channel. I appreciate your support, and this is a small way that I can say thank you. So, like I said, put a comment in the comment section below. I'm going to run this for 1 week, so next Friday, the 12th of August, noonish, I'll do a video, and I'll pick the winner from the random comment picker that I normally use on my other channel. And just as on my other channel, the things I need for you to win this: I need you to be subscribed to this channel. Of course, like I said, comment on this video only, to be entered into this giveaway. And for the 48 contiguous states, it's not a problem. I will cover all shipping. It shouldn't be that much. But as far as international and even Alaska, Hawaii, I will pay the first $10 postage. So be mindful of that if you are outside of the United States, and if the postage is an issue for you, remember, I will pay only the first $10. So keep that in mind. And I think that's it. So I'll stop so I can post this, and next week I'll come back on and I'll pick the winner. So good luck to everyone, and thank you all again for supporting this channel. You all take care. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, bye-bye.